Have you seen the viral upside-down puff pastry hack? It actually works. Just put your fillings on a baking sheet, top them with a piece of puff pastry, brush with egg wash, and bake at 400 for 12 to 15 minutes. When you flip them over, the results look amazing and taste delicious. We've been experimenting all day with recipes, starting with basic fruit pairings like apples and cinnamon or bananas and Nutella. But then we got inventive. How about onion brie and rosemary? The onions caramelize and the gooey brie holds it all together. And you can't go wrong with pizza. Pepperoni, tomato sauce, and mozzarella are classic, and the kids will love it. My favorite combo is pear, bacon, and brie. I love the mix of the sweet, salty, and tangy flavors so much. This trio of dried figs, honey, and pistachios is delicious and will have you feeling those Mediterranean vibes for sure. Or mix some golden peppadew peppers with cream cheese for a sweet and creamy taste that's almost magical. Lastly, for those grown-up palates, top some fresh pineapple with brown sugar and a drizzle of rum. Yummy! Let us know what other combos you've tried.